Arrive in style with this cheap 2020 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: anti-spin differential rear axle included, tires 255/70R18 all-terrain, LED lighting group included, daytime running lamps, LED accents, front LED fog lamps, LED reflector headlamps, LED tail lamps, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches polished watt per gray spokes, STD, engine, 2.0 Li4 DOHCD turbo torque included, 600 amp maintenance-free battery, 48V belt starter generator, delete alternator, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, black clear coat, 8.4 radio and premium audio group included, Sirius XM Traffic Plus Alpine Premium Audio System HD radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display. For details visit